Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different crafty activities. Let's begin with the first one. First we are taking these empty wine bottles and we are filling them with the glass color. You can even make use of the oil pastel. Now we are creating different stencils for the leaves. Let's trim some of the pine cones and after that create some of the flower shapes out of it. Paste them one after the another with the help of the hot glue gun. This looks so cool and so beautiful. Let's move further towards another activity. Here we are taking the another form of the bottle and filling it with the glass colors and after that using the sponge to create this roughy type of the texture. After that with the help of the stencil engrave some of the imprints of these leaves and decorate them further. After that we are taking again the pine cones and trimming them down in the circular shapes, in the flowery shapes and pasting them one after the another with the help of the hot glue gun, and some beads are also used to decorate it over the neck portion. Let's now move further with another activity. Here we are taking this plastic cone and just trimming it down from the upper portion, making the use of the different two shades of the blue and filling them with the color from the other end. We are making use of the pink and the peach color. In the background, we are adding the black color and then we are tracing out some of the trees using the pencil, and the stencil is used for creating these two humans. Together, sprinkle some of the colors over it with the help of the brushes, and after that you just have to make the trees as apparent here. Now again make use of the stencil and the sponge to create some of the imprints. This looks so cool and so easy. Definitely give this one a try. For this one you may require the different shades of the color and some of the brushes. Like we are first taking this bottle and just removing all the sticker it off, and after that you just have to take the glass paint and you just have to fill it with the from all the ends with the help of the sponge. You just have to create the crazy texture, that's this roughish one, and after that make some of the imprints using the stencils and then decorate it with the help of the brush. Let's now move towards our another activity. Here we are taking this plastic container and with the help of the black and another pastel color we are filling it with. After that we are taking the sponge and making some of the rough engraves and sprinkling the more colors over it. This looks so cool. Now we are taking some of the pine cones and trimming them down and filling them with the blue color as apparent here. At the center we are placing the yellow color. Now we with the help of the stalk we are just trying to make these flowers. It looks so good and so nice. Let's now move further towards our another activity. Here we are taking the different shades of the colors and painting them over this glass container, or we can say the vase, and then we are making some of the textures roughy type. After that we are taking these pine hole cuttings and decorating with them with the different shades of the color, and with the help of the twigs we are pasting them one after the another. This activity is again very good and very nice. Let's now move further towards our another activity. For that you just have to take the plastic container and fill it with and dry. In the background we are adding some of the white dots as apparent on your screens. Now you just have to take the pine cone, trim it down at the center and then decorate it in the form of the flowers and paste them properly using the hot glue gun. This is you can add some of the leaves in the background. Let's now move towards another activity. For this one again you may require the empty beer bottle and then you just have to fill it with the different shades of the blue, create the textures with the help of the sponge. After that again take the pine cone and trim them down, fill them with the different colors, and with the help of the hot glue gun fix them at their proper position. You have to also place some of the leaves that you can create artificially, or even you can collect them from the natural gardens and paste them there. Thank you for watching.